Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. If you guys have a Mazda CX-7 that doesn't want to start, okay, doesn't crank, we'll show you guys in today's video where to find the relay, okay, for the starter, guys. Let's say you turn the key on but you don't hear anything. Okay, it could be a few possibilities, but in today's video, guys, we're going to explain where the starter relay is. That's a very common reason, guys, so stay with us. That's what we'll be covering. In the meantime, guys, we have more than 200 videos on this car and every car we get at the shop, because our mission is to save you guys as much money as we can. So please subscribe to the channel, like the video and leave a comment below. Let us know if the video was helpful or if you want to see any specific repair on this Mazda CX-7 or any car. So let's start on it now. So let us show you now how this car does not start, guys. Okay, I'm going to turn the key on, but the car will not fire at all. Listen now. Nothing, guys. Okay, it doesn't do anything. So that could be, of course, a few things, but in today's video, guys, we will explain. Okay, we will explain how to find a relay for that Mazda CX-7 for the starter, and you actually have two relays, not just one, two. So stay with us, and we'll explain all that in this video. So once you open the hood of your Mazda, next to the car battery, guys, you have the fuse box here. You have one clip that you need to push forward, then bring that cover forward and up. Okay, and it comes out. Now let's come closer to the fuse box and I'm going to show you guys. Okay, if you look this way, okay, we'll need to shoot from this side, okay, like that. That relay, guys, okay, down here now, okay, that relay is the one for the starter, guys, right here. That's the main relay, but we have one more. Make sure you stay until the end. This relay, I grab it with my hand, shake it. You might need to use pliers, but you have to be careful because somebody did crack it in the past. Okay, check it out. And if you need to buy a new one, guys, we'll have the link in the description of the video below and we'll explain where you can buy one from. Now we have a video that explains how to test the relay. The procedure is super simple, so please check it out. And now I'll just go ahead and grab a new one. Install it. Make sure that you push it all the way in. Okay, like that. Now you have one more relay for the starter, guys. And where is the second relay? Okay, looking at the fuse box, it will be, guys, from the right side. Okay, it will be this relay right here. This is for the starter as well, this little guy. So the same way, you just grab it, pull it out and check it and see if it's working. Now let me go ahead. Okay, let me move that out of the way so it doesn't drop if I start the car. I'll go ahead and I'll attempt to start it and see if that takes care of our problem now. Hopefully it does. So let's see now. So you can see car fired right up with no problems. Thank you for watching, guys. Please subscribe to the channel for more videos and see you guys next time.